Hey Leggari friends, it's FAQ Wednesday. This week we're going to tackle how to become a Leggari certified installer. We have 2-day training courses, one in metallic epoxy and one in concrete overlay. You can choose to do one class that week, the other class, or both of them. You will learn from the experts, coach your own floor, countertop, and sample boards. The training is held here at our headquarters in Pasco, Washington. The dates do vary every month, so email us at customerservice@leggari.com for future dates, and also if you have any more questions. See you guys next time. If you're a customer looking for a Leggari certified installer near your area, contact us at customerservice@leggari.com and we will pair you up with someone that will help your dream project come true.